In part 3 of sketch tutorial series, we will draw a crane hook. This sketch contains circles, arcs and lines, but they are joining in rather more complex way compared with last two tutorials. So let's start drawing this crane hook. Draw a new part, create a new part, create a plane parallel to front plane 100. Paste the sketch, the hook drawing onto this plane, sketch picture, this one. Now scale the drawing, and for scaling I will choose this dimension 90. So let's put it here, rotate, bring it here, zoom in, this is 90. Now let's look at the origin. I am taking this point as origin. You can also take this point, no problem. Transparency reduced to 0.6. Now our drawing is ready. Now let's draw on front plane. First draw the axes, horizontal infinite length, vertical, now draw this circle, then this circle, this circle, these two circles, so we have drawn all the circles. Let's do the dimensions. The radius of this circle is 20, so diameter will be 40. This circle diameter is 20. Distance of this center with the x-axis is 90. Okay. Now the radius of this circle is 40, so diameter will be 80. The radius of this circle is 60. Sorry, the diameter is 30. The center of this circle is here 8, and vertically it is, and vertically also 8. So these all circles have turned black. Now this circle, the radius is 5, so diameter will be 10, and the center of this circle is 45 from y-axis, and from x-axis it is 15. Okay, so all the circles have been drawn and fully defined. Now let's connect them. Here you can see two lines symmetrical to y-axis at a distance of 20. So one line which is not tangent, so remove the tangent and here bring it here and make it horizontal, sorry, vertical. Now mirror this line about y-axis. So here we have another. The distance between the lines is 20. So we have the lines now. Make them shorter. Now these two arcs. So we select arcs, take a tangent arc, this point, this circle, again this point and this circle. Make it tangent to circle. Make it tangent to circle. They are already tangent to line. Now the radius is 35. This radius is 60. Make it 60. Okay. Now these two arcs. Let's draw a 3-point arc. This one, this circle, and here. Again this circle, and here. Now make it tangent to this circle, tangent, and to this circle, tangent. Make it tangent to this circle, make it tangent to this circle. Now the radius of this arc is 30. Radius of this arc is 80. Okay, so you can see all the lines and arcs have turned black, so our sketch is fully defined. Now let's trim the unwanted areas. Trim. So we don't want this one, this and this. Don't want this, 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 this. We don't want this. We don't want this and this. Okay. So you can see the sketch is almost complete. Only these fillets are remaining. So select fillet. Fillet. Radius is 20. Select this point. Select this point. Okay. So our sketch is ready. Exit the sketch. You can see our sketch is perfectly matching with the drawing. So this is the end of part 3. Thanks for watching.